Good day, best ever toy TV here. So it's been quite a long time since I've shown you some toys. I've been doing, if you notice, I've been doing a lot more Hot Wheels hunting videos and some diecast news. So anyways, let us start with the toy showcase. It's a mixed bags of toys here. First up, we got this Ninjago bootleg, and it says here Space Baby Ninja Masters of Spinjitzu. So yeah, this is a Ninjago bootleg Lego version. So I'll be opening this one. I was supposed to give this to my son a while ago, but he fell asleep. But he knows I'll be opening this for the vlog. So here it is. Closer look. It doesn't look bad at all. Check this one out, guys. For only 59 pesos, you get this big figure here. I'm not really familiar with Ninjago characters, but just by looking at the details here and the feel of plastic, it's not that bad for 59 pesos. It's kind of loose though, and the hands are kind of loose, but really it is not that bad at all. You got two swords, two samurais here at the back. Now the legs. This part here at the hips is quite loose. He's got an extra sword that you can put here. Okay, but it's it is too hard to put. The hole is small here. So how do you do this? Okay, the other side. Yeah, not bad at all. Check that one out. This huge sword here. And it's not enough, he's got two more extras at the back and some ninja stars. Pretty cool. Next toy here we got, I just put this on the keyboard. Next toy here. Next here we have this beautiful VW Caddy delivery van here from Matchbox, part of the Matchbox service series. The series has 20 cars, and I think I got this, I got this yesterday. I forgot to, no, I didn't forget to record the video. I just ran out of battery, so I was not able to record the video. But anyways, I got this from Toys R Us. It was on sale now, only 120 pesos. Great car. Check out the details of this pizza delivery van. It says here, Pizza Italian Eatery by Santini. Since 1971, free delivery. Yeah, awesome car. Really happy with this purchase. This is a regular treasure hunt. Let me count. I think I have 6 of these already. It used to be 7, but the other one I gave it away because someone bought my red line Hot Wheels and I gave it away as an extra. Next one here, I got this at SM, Toy Kingdom SM. The one with a on sale for 100 pesos only. Majorette Toyota Corolla in orange. I still don't have the white version of this one, but anyways, pretty neat car. Next here for my son, Thomas and Train. This is a motorized train, and if you have watched my Ukay Ukay video, or you guys call that their thrift shop hunting, I found some Thomas Train and Tommy railroad tracks, and this one works perfectly on the tracks. It was on sale for 200 pesos only from 500 or 499.75 cents. Next one, Toyota Hilux. This is my fourth Hilux. I normally am not a scalper, or what you call that. I don't collect a lot of variants of the same car normally, but I love the Hilux, and again, I've got multiples of that. And finally, for the family, not a toy, I have a Toyota Revo, an old car, and we added another one to the family, a Honda CR-V. I'll be doing a review on that SUV maybe this week or early this week, next week. Yeah, another different video for our channel, not toy related but car related. But anyways, it's still a car, diecast or not. And those are what I got for this week, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV, for more fun stuff. Bye bye guys, peace out, and enjoy the rest of the day.